Here is a typography design idea for you. Add the image that you want, select the text tool,
and type in the text for the font. And resize the font. I'm using Techo Semi-Bold font.
right-click and convert to shape. Press Ctrl-T, then right-click and select Warp. Now, using the handle, adjust the text according to the object. Hold Ctrl and click to take a selection. Hide it, select the IT, and create a layer mask. Then select the layer mask and press B to select the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white and paint around the areas that you want to bring back, and there you go.
Subscribe Workout for more.